Imagine reaching a divorce settlement only to find it's unenforceable. A verbal agreement won't suffice, it must be documented. Including it in your final divorce judgment ensures both parties are legally bound to the terms. Vague language can lead to disputes. Specify who gets what percentage of assets, which accounts are divided, and the timeline for transfer. The clearer the agreement, the less chance of future conflict. Detailing the method of asset transfer is crucial. For instance, if dividing a retirement account, specify the exact process. This precision prevents misunderstandings and ensures a smooth transition. Certain agreements need additional paperwork to be enforceable. For retirement accounts, a qualified domestic relations order, QDRO, is essential. Without it, the division may not be recognized legally. Ensure spousal and child support meet legal guidelines. If not properly outlined, they risk being rejected by the court. Proper documentation is key to enforceability. File the judgment with the court to make it binding. Without court approval, your agreement isn't enforceable. Ensure it's signed by a judge and properly recorded to avoid future issues. If terms aren't followed, legal actions like wage garnishment or contempt of court can be pursued. Understanding these options ensures compliance and protects your rights. By ensuring your divorce settlement is enforceable, you safeguard your future. Visit divorce661.com for expert assistance. Let's make sure your agreement is ironclad and protects your interests.